If you invest in a Rock Island Armory 1911 base pistol in any sufficient caliber, you may be surprised at the perceived felt recoil in this heavy a pistol. While not soft by any means, stoked with the widely known 45 ACP, the recoil is easily managed if you do your part through a proper grip on the pistol. So, let me not dawdle any further and get myself to the part where we see if the Rock Island Armory Ultra FS and I can work together. The Ultra FS sends 230 grain bullets downrange quite efficiently. Polished feed ramp helps to feed the beast, while an oversized and flared ejection port gets all of those expended cases out of the way very nicely. Today, it is hard to find a 1911 base pistol that does not function near flawlessly, even in low-cost pistols. There are always exceptions, of course. Running Magtech 230 grain FMJ ammunition through the Ultra FS while using several different magazines yielded some interesting results. I had 2 Chip McCormick Power Mag magazines, and both exhibited failures to feed. I was not going to bother with them again, as I have had the same type of failures in other 1911 pistols with these magazines. The remaining magazines, Wilson Combat, Pro Mag, Mechgar, and even the one Rock Island Armory magazine that came with the pistol functioned flawlessly. My choice for carry, Wilson Combat. I also ran 2 magazines of Federal 230 grain high shock jacketed holler points through the pistol, and they ran fine. A little more push into the hand over the Magtech 230 grain FMJ, rated at 735 feet per second at the muzzle, as the high shock is rated at 850 feet per second, which places it at what a good 1911 should run. I like this ammunition, and will be investing in more. Some 185 grain FMJ to test the waters further with lighter, faster bullets will be run through it at a later time. As the pistol breaks in, it will find ammunition that it really likes, regardless of my preferences. Overall, and for the first range time with the Ultra FS, I am well satisfied. The sights were spot on, and the rear adjustable sight needed no adjustment. It was set pretty much to a 6 o'clock hold, and the front fiber sight was easy to see in the range lighting, even with my old eyes. The G10 grip texture, as I mentioned in the features, felt good in the hand. They were neither too abusive or slick. I do miss my A1 Arts mainspring housing, and may work on getting one mounted at a later time. Felt recoil was a typical full-size government model feeling, a snappy push in the hand, but not abusive. Muzzle lift was a bit pronounced. Some of that was me. I am getting over some lower back issues, and I am losing some grip strength in my old age. I can still hold my own to a degree, though. With the exception of one shot that I rushed and pulled low left, I can't complain too much about the day's results. Headshots were confined to the head pretty much, as were the body shots. The trigger's a bit stiff yet, but will smooth out after more range time.